Respected all experts, friends, please. While this video, I am putting one problem for your advice. Please. Nowadays, we are having very micro knowledge of electrical engineering and electrical science and rules, regulations, methods of construction. All this micro knowledge we all are having. But my main problem is that this micro knowledge is not reflecting in the present existing maintenance work and ongoing construction works. For example, I am just describing 3 photos for your kind consideration. Now, please see this recent photo. This is a recent photo of a pole-mounted duty ship. Now, I will discuss step by step. Now, this is a distribution box. This is a distribution box. Please, sir. Please see. In what dilapidated condition is this? Its height shall be in between 1.5 meter to 2 meter as per regulation number 79. And other provisions, distribution box installed with lugs, connection and internal arrangement shall be as per CA regulation 79. Please see, sir. Please see. Regarding this distribution box, all things are explained in CA regulation 79, but this is totally contradictory to that. Please, sir, in this from this duty elevation, this cable is taken out. Here itself, kindly see, the cable insulation seems to be burnt out of my left hand side cable and in small quantity other 2 cables, and the neutral is connected in a very haphazard way, and this cable installation is required to be as per CA regulation 82, clamping, etc., etc. Now please see, sir, please see. No clamping, no clamping, no clamping. Please see, please see, please see, please see. Now this has come here. Actually, this should enter through cable gland in the box. But here there is no door to the box. It has directly came here. And now this should go first to a main switch. And then there should be circuit arrangements. Everything is absent. Everything is absent. Everything is absent. And this is totally contradictory to the CA regulation 79 and 82. Thirdly, please see this everything substandard. Please. And regarding earthing, please see, regarding earthing, the earthing of this DP structure shall be as per CA regulation number, I think 81. That is also absent. And please see the silica gel, totally pink or white. it should be blue. Now we will just see this greenery. This greenery. You see, the greenery has entered the distribution box, and this greenery, etc., shall be maintained as per the provisions of CEA Regulation 64. That is also totally violated. Now, you see, barbed wire is there, but very rusted. No danger boards are being seen. No danger boards are being seen. Now, please see, please see. Now, please see how this stay is loose. The purpose of stay is taking the load. No stay is to be kept in loose condition. It shall always be in tight condition so that any jerk can be taken by stay. Now, please see this. Please see. Now, please see how shabby the workmanship is there. No good workmanship. This is first photo. Now, I will switch over to second photo. Now, please see, sir. These lightning arresters are required to be provided at the top of the DP as per provision of regulation number 78, but they are not there, and I think they are provided. That I will discuss in next photo. Now, please see. These DO set and AB switch are required as per CEA regulation 80, but AB switch is absent. And this duo set, I think, is not as per standards. You see, it is very haphazard. And all earthing arrangement of all structure, all the installation on DP structure shall be as per regulation number 81. Now, I will go to last photo. This here. This AB switch, AB switch connections. That duo set jumpering connection. How shabby, and please see, here is joined. Every chances of sparking are there, and this is dried greenery on this. If sparking is there, it will catch fire, and here a transformer with inflammable oil is there. Now here the pole mounted lightning arresters are there, but they are not taken into circuit. As per 78, they have to be taken into service. Please see. So, sir, I have come to your honors for a solution as to how the micro electrical engineering knowledge with us, the micro electrical science knowledge with us, methods of construction, CEA regulations, and so many IS codes. How to transfer this knowledge in the fingers and hands of a worker so that brain gives instructions to the fingers and finger works exactly as per the instruction of brain of engineer. But here I think everything is going on as per labor technology, jugaad technology, which is a very dangerous and mother of accidents and other electrical hazards like fires, etc. Now, sir, this is ELT line. Spacers, as per CA Regulation 107, are required to be provided. The same is also being seen absent. There are so many things. So this is only from photo I have talked. Sirs, I have come to you for this practical solution to be solved as to how our technical know-how, legal know-how to be transferred in the fingers and hands of a worker. Hence, sirs, kindly advise and guide me. Also, other engineers can put their advice also. And these are recent photos, not old, which needs immediate attention to avoid accidents to human, animal, and workers also. Because in this distribution box, there is no control, there is no ABC here. Then, if some work is to be done on your guilty also, we have to take permit from the substation. This is totally contradictory to the principles of electrical power. Myself, Ramdas Khandagade, retired Chief Engineer and National Safety Commission member. Thank you. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube video channel for such safety related videos. Thank you. Kindly subscribe.